Okay, so now these problems get a little bit harder. And these are ones that you might see on the Regents exam because they involve more than one thing going on. So first of all, let's do some highlighting here. We have an isosceles triangle. So LKW, which is this outside triangle, is isosceles. It says WLK is the vertex. I'm going to put a star next to it. Okay, that means there's two equal sides that are here and here. All right. Then I've got this side down the middle. All right, this LP side down the middle. I'm going to make it blue. There's a blue side down the middle right here. That's an altitude. That cuts the base into two equal parts and makes right angles down there. So what I end up with is two small right triangles in this picture that I'm going to have to play around with. So now it tells me LW is 38. So that's 38 right there. It tells me KW is 20. So that's 20. If that altitude cuts it in half, it means that each of these is 10. 10 and 10. All right? So those are both 10. Now it says find LP. LP is this side right here. Okay, find that. Well, what I've got going on here, and I know I've got a whole bunch of highlights going on here. I'm trying to make this as neat as I can. I have a green triangle. I'm just going to color it in. I have a green right triangle right there that I want to work with. All right, because I can do the Pythagorean theorem on that green right triangle. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to think about Pythagorean theorem because I have a right triangle. The hypotenuse would be across from the right angle, so it would be that 38. Then I have the 10, and I have this side that's missing that I'll call x. So I'm going to plug my numbers in here. 10 squared plus x squared equals 38 squared. And now I'm going to do correct algebra. 38 squared is 1444. Yeah, I got to get the x squared by itself. So minus 100, minus 100. So x squared is 1344. Square root. Because everything's isolated. So second square root. So not that. 1344. 36.660. The dots of the yanks that keeps going. It says nearest hundredth this time. All right, so the hundredth is the second decimal place. That's a 0. So that means it's going to stay a 6. So 36.66.